Hey y'all, I got me 2 McChickens from McDonald's. Y'all, we gotta stop eating this stuff. Are they killing us with the food that we put in our bodies? I got me some honey mustard for my McChickens. They're pretty warm though. Let's see what they're giving. They're pretty warm, like they just, ooh, they put a lot of mayonnaise. They're good. They put enough mayonnaise on it, for thank God. So McChicken. That's all I could afford. Anybody want to buy me something? Miss Jimmy 4 is my cash at MISS YUMMY and the number 4. You want to buy me something to eat? Put your McChicken, your honey mustard on your McChicken, and go to town, baby. They're good. They're good and hot. So she watch your surroundings if you're sitting in the car eating. MISS YUMMY and the number 4 if you want to buy me something to eat. I get it for dinner tonight. Miss send me for. Lady at the gas station gave me a free drink. It's good and cold. Love y'all. Y'all have a good day.